All right, Todd here with Jeep Speed Shop, here to talk about the C3 plug in our Hemi conversions, truck Hemi. And this is in the 07 to 11 Jeep JK, using this style connectors. Okay, so on the C3, we need to add 2 wires that come in the harness. It's this plug. So, and it's C3, that's the number, that's the white plug, and it's pin 8, and then C3 again, we're going to go into pin 33, and we're going to add these connectors to this pin. So first, we need to pry off the back piece. Be careful not to break the 4 pins that are in that connector. If you do, it's not the end of the world, but be careful not to. Okay, and then in the front, there's a red lock. You got to shift the lock over to the side to loosen the pins up. Then on the back, there's some freeze plugs or some knockouts. So we push the knockouts out from the back going forward just to break the plastic knockout, like so. And here's the knockouts right here, those 2 plastic knockouts. We got to push those out. And so then we use a pin to push them from the front out the back to knock the knockouts out, like so. So you got to make sure the knockouts are out of there before you can insert these connectors into that plug. So, and on the back of the plug, they're numbered. So you just read the numbering. So the first one, of course, we're going to go it this way. So is going to be 8. C3, count over 8 spots, and boom, put in pin number 8. And then the next one is going to be 33. So you just turn it over, count over till you get to 33, which is right there, and then put in pin 33. So, all right, just a quick overview because I got a lot of people that ask. Not too many people with problems, but we figured, you know, we'll start talking about more and more of our Hemi stuff as we go. And so here we are putting the pins in. It's very simple, actually. But we figured, you know what, we'll start covering everything on these things. So, and that's really about it. And then once you lock the front, it's done. So, all right. Jeep Speed Shop, out.